Coinex was founded in August 2017. It quickly established a name for itself as India's largest cryptocurrency exchange company that maintained a high standard of service in trading of digital assets. Now, what was the reason for its failure? In an emotional blog post published on Medium, Coinex co-founder Rahul Raj said that the last 14 months had been tough to operate a digital asset trading business in India on account of the closure of bank account holding user deposits. The crypto exchange had been facing denials in payment services from payment gateways along with blocking of transactions for trading of digital assets. Aditya Birla Idea Payments Bank launched on February 22, 2018. Aditya Birla Payments Bank Limited was the fourth payment bank to get a license from RBI. Now, what was the reason for its failure? As observed by RBI, the key reason for operating profit of such banks being negative was large capital expenditures involved in setting up the initial infrastructures, leading to high operating expenses. Further, there is a still considerable section in India that prefers traditional methods while transacting, and there hasn't been complete awareness and comfort with the technique. All the above cumulated to an unviable business model for Aditya Birla Idea Payment Bank and led to its shutdown. Kodak is an American public company that produces various products related to its historic basis in analog photography. The company was invented and marketed by George Eastman Kodak. It was built on the culture of innovation and changed in 1888. Now, what was the reason for the failure of this company? The first digital camera was designed by a Kodak engineer, Steve Sasson, in 1975. It was a filmless photography at that time, so they didn't want to threaten their business, so they didn't do the marketing of the digital camera. Kodak missed the opportunities in the technology they themselves invented. Kodak couldn't get on the nerve of the modern technology and remained in a denial for long about digital photography, while all the other brands adapted the change by introducing electronic cameras. Shotang Shotang was a business-to-business B2B online marketplace that connected retailers, distributors and manufacturers to discover, transact and manage their business online using their platform. Its main products were mobiles and apparel. It earned revenue through commissions paid by distributors per transaction. Now, what was the reason for its failure? At its peak, Shotang had a $40 million market valuation. It had last raised $864,000 from Patama Capital in February this year and $5 million from Xfinity Venture Partners in December 2015. Tech Circle cited an anonymous person saying that the money it last raised was primarily meant to pay off creditors, employees, partners. It tried but failed. It is likely that the business was forced to scale down its operation amid fierce competitions from likes of Flipkart, Amazon and Paytm Mall. Mr. Needs Mr. Needs was a startup based out of Delhi NCR in the grocery business, catering to NCR region only. The venture was started in 2016 by four young entrepreneurs, Hitashi Garg, Ravi Wadhwa, Ravi Verma and Yogesh Garg. The startup offered online subscription-based services in grocery items like milk, eggs and bread. In June 2017, Ravi Wadhwa told ET that their pre-delivery cost was 50 to 70% lower than others. Now, what was the reason for the failure of this company? According to its owner, the company was doing fairly well but stopped abruptly without providing any specific reason for their closure. Even the mobile application of Mr. Needs was removed from Google Play Store. But that is just pure speculation. Because the company did decent business. Mr. Need has successfully made 10,000 deliveries in Noida and some parts of Delhi in July 2017.